This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ingrid Gray. Stunning luxury remodel in the heart of Houston, vibrant 3rd Ward. This beautiful one-story lavish landscaping, a striking pivot glass and wrought iron entry, 2-story foyer, open floor plan, exquisite hardwood flooring, Venetian plaster fireplace, chef-inspired kitchen with sleek Euro-style 42 cabinets, gleaming quartz countertops and a full-height backsplash.Premium Frigidaire Pro stainless steel appliances. Spacious 4-bed/R layout includes 2 private en-suites and 3 luxurious baths. Covered patio and backyard oasis. For more information, review the details below or contact Ingrid Gray at 888-668-8283.